Everyone's a scumbag in Jersey. Sorry, Jersey. Everyone's exactly as loud and dumb as the movies portray them. Should anyone pay them attention, they puff out like bullfrogs. Well, go and wear your muscle shirts and mullets with pride, 'cause you've got nothing real inside.